ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता अथ प्रथमोऽध्यायः। धृतराष्ट्र उवाच. So we're gonna read the first shlok 3 times. You're gonna try to recite it with me, and then we will progress to the next shlok. धृतराष्ट्र उवाच. धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुयुत्सवः. मामकः पाण्डवश्चैव किमकुर्वत सञ्जय. धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुयुत्सवः. मामकः पाण्डवश्चैव किमकुर्वत सञ्जय. Again, last time. धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेताः युयुत्सवः. मामकः पाण्डवश्चैव किमकुर्वत सञ्जय. So, right now, understand the situation that is happening. Can I have my screen back, beta? So, right now, understand the situation that is there in the land of Kurukshetra. On one side, there are Pandu Putra, and on one side, there are the sons of Dhritarashtra. A fight between right and wrong, a fight between dharma and adharma, a fight between problems and the solution, a fight between Krishna and Asura, the demons. It is the fight between what we face every day in our lives. Should and shouldn't, do and don't. What is the right thing to do? So, the don't, the most powerful king of the don'ts, the most powerful king of shouldn't, the most powerful king of adharma, the most powerful, no matter what, how strong the wrong looks from a distance, the wrong is never stable. The wrong will always be very tensed because he knows that a strong right will any day be more stronger than him. Dhritarashtra, who is fighting against the right, is very scared because he knows that even though the right doesn't know that right is very powerful, but if right gets to know his strength, he's going to defeat everything in a second. So Dhritarashtra is asking somebody who can see the entire scenario of Kurukshetra. Who is Dhritarashtra? He is the king of Kauravas. But there is an irony. He is the king of Adharma, but at the same time, he cannot see anything. He's blind. The same is the quality of Adharma. Adharma is something that has no vision, has no basis, always insecure, tensed. But by the grace, this Adharma called Dhritarashtra, who is blind, he has somebody who can see everything that is happening in the land of that battle, but is reciting everything that is happening in the land of Kurukshetra as it is to Dhritarashtra. He has been blessed by Dirgha Chakshu, that he's sitting in the kingdom of Dhritarashtra, but still can see everything that is happening in the land of Kurukshetra, where this battle between dharma and adharma is practically happening. Dhritarashtra is very tensed. Please tell me what's happening. He's asking that, please tell me what's happening in this battle. So, what is Dhritarashtra asking is the first shloka of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Dhritarashtra Uvach means said. What did the sons of Pandu? Pandu is the brother of Dhritarashtra. So, identically, originally, ironically, the problems that are brought in our lives is not brought by outsiders. Somewhere, the biggest problems in our lives are actually brought to us by somebody whom we call ours, our families, our cousins, our extended people, but they are somewhat ours. And they bring the biggest challenges to our lives. So Dhritarashtra and Pandu are brothers, but because of the property, the land, the people, the fight to become the king, Dhritarashtra wants to become the king. Why? Dhritarashtra wants his son to become the king. Why? Because he wants that his son should rule and become powerful. Pandu wants his sons to become the king. Why? Because he wants that his people shouldn't be mistreated. They should be given the best. One's philosophy, both wants to become the king, but one wants to become the king to become powerful himself. Other wants his sons to become the king so that he can serve his people and protect them from getting misused. The beautiful karma is not what you do. A beautiful karma is what you are doing, the reason behind what you do. A person going to the temple might not be dharmic. Why? Because the reason why he's going to the temple is not Krishna. The reason he's going to the temple is to show the people around him that how, big of a devotee I am. Telling how, powerful I am. That a person goes to the temple to see Mrs. Gupta, Mrs. Sharma, Mrs. Tiwari. They are not dharmic because there are two Mrs. Krishna and Mrs. Ram also standing in the altar, but they forget to see them and talk to them. It is your vision and your reason that makes you a part of Dhritarashtra's team or a part of the Pandavas team, part of the right or a part of the wrong. So Dhritarashtra is asking Sanjay, who can see everything happening but cannot do anything. He's only like a speaker. What is happening in Kurukshetra, he's reciting it to Dhritarashtra. Dhritarashtra is telling Sanjay, quickly tell me, I can't see anything. I'm very curious to know that what are the sons of Pandu. What did the sons of Pandu and also my people do when the desirous to fight they assembled together on the holy plain of Kurukshetra? He's asking Sanjay, please tell me what is happening in the land of Kurukshetra. What are my sons and the sons of Pandu? If he would have felt that this is my family on a whole, he should have asked, what is my family doing on a whole? But he discriminated between mine and the sons of Pandu. This is where the battle started. What are my sons and the sons of Pandu doing in Kurukshetra? In the next shlok, Sanjay is telling, Sanjay Uvacha, Drishtva tu Pandavanikam, Vyudham Duryodhanastada, Acharyamupasangamya, Raja Vachanamabravit. What is Sanjay saying? Sanjay saying, having seen the army of the Pandavas drawn up in the battle array, King Duryodhana then approached his teacher Dronacharya and spoke these words. Now please come to the battle of Kurukshetra. Imagine in your minds, one side is the army of Pandavas, other side is the army of Dhritarashtra, the sons of Dhritarashtra. Now, from the side of Pandavas, Pandu, his son, all the five Pandavas are fighting. Yudhishthir, Bhima, Arjuna, Nakul, Sahadev, and their entire army. On the other side, the 100 sons of Dhritarashtra, and who is leading that army is his son Duryodhana. The form of the ideal form of all the wrongs that one would do in his life. So Dhritarashtra is asking Sanjay, please tell me what's happening. Sanjay told him that when Duryodhan saw the strong, powerful army of Pandavas ready to fight in this battlefield, Duryodhan is becoming insecure, Maharaj. He's feeling scared. And when he got scared, he went to his guru, Dronacharya, the one who is fighting from the side of Kauravas. Why? He is the same guru who has taught the Pandavas as well. But why is he fighting from the side of Kauravas? Maharaji says a very beautiful thing, that it is very important to maintain the purity of what you eat. Dronacharya, even though he is guru in himself, he has taken the shelter of Duryodhan because he has eaten the salt of Duryodhan. That has adulterated his mind. No matter how strong your bhakti is, if you are connecting with wrong people, negative people, their negativity will seep into your head and you will become distracted. So Sanjay says that Duryodhan is very scared, Maharaj Dhritarashtra. And because he's scared to see the powerful army of Pandavas, he has quickly gone to his guru, Dronacharya ji. What is he saying? Pashyaitam Panduputranam Acharya Mahatim Chamum Vyudham Drupadaputrena Tav Shishyena Dhimata. What is he saying? Oh my Sadgurudev, oh my teacher, oh my Guru, this mighty army of the sons of Pandu, which is arranged by the son of Drupad, is very wisely displayed. Now, Duryodhan is getting scared because Guru Dronacharya ji has taught all his children the beautiful way of standing and fighting for the battle. But the son of Drupad is the most efficient one. And he is fighting from the side of Pandavas. Now Duryodhan is very scared. He went to his Gurudev and told him, Gurudev, the son of Drupad. What's the name of his son? Drishtadumna. The son of Drupad, whose name is Drishtadumna, he has arranged the setting of the army of Pandavas is in such a strong way that it is very difficult to fight with them. I'm very scared. Tell me something. What should I do? How I should do? Now, what is he telling further? We'll take the next 3 shloks together. Atra shura maheshvasa भीमार्जुन समायुधि युयुधानो विराटश्च द्रुपदश्च महारथः. So the first thing he's saying, here are heroes, mighty archers, equal in battle to Bhim and Arjuna. Yuyudhana, Virata, Drupada, each commanding 11,000 archers. So he's very scared that, oh my God, from the side of Pandavas, this is the biggest way you lose your confidence. When you identify, when somebody, no matter how emotional you are, no matter how sensitive, fragile you are, never show this side of you to the world, my children, never. I'm very sensitive, I'm fragile, I know it. But to the world, I am a lioness. If you'll tell the world that you are fragile, they are going to destroy you. This is what the army of Pandavas did. They, in the first lane of the battle, which was visible to the side of Kauravas, they make sure that the strongest of their people are standing. When they saw the strongest people standing in front to fight, half of the confidence that the negativity has, it falls apart. When you show the world you are the strongest, when you show the world that you are the most powerful, you are very strong, half of the people who want to bring, sadness to you, their morale gets destroyed. Never show your real self to the world. Play smart. Show to the world that there is nobody stronger than you. It's all right. If you are a weak person, if you are a fragile or a sensitive person, that is your inner thing. When you play a role, you play that role in the best way. So when Duryodhan saw this, his entire confidence fell apart. Oh my God, there are so many people. Arjuna, Bhim, Yuyudhan, Raja Virat, Maharaj Drupad and his son. How will we win this battle? Look at the next slok. There are many more of fighting and everybody standing in front of Kauravas like this. Arjuna with his Dhanush Bana, scaring everybody. दृष्टकेतुश्चेकितानः काशीराजश्च वीर्यवान् पुरुजित् कुन्तिभोजश्च शैब्यश्च नरपुङ्गवः. So there are more. युधामन्युश्च विक्रांत उत्तमौजश्च वीर्यवान् सौभद्रो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्व एव महारथः. So not just this, Drishtaketu, Chekitana, Kashiraj, Purujit, Kunti Bhoja, Shaibya, Yudhamanyu, Uttamauja, Subhadra Putra Abhimanyu, and the 5 sons of Draupadi. They all are standing in front of Kauravas to fight. Identify your strengths and showcase those strengths to the world so that nobody dares to mess with you. When they see your personality, they feel that if you mess with this person, they are going to mess you badly. This is how you should portray yourself to the world. You should know your strengths and your weaknesses. Keep the weaknesses in your heart. Showcase your strengths to the world. Because then only they're going to be careful and they're going to be scared of messing with you. But we do the opposite. We don't identify our strengths and showcase our weaknesses like a sail to the world. I am fragile. I am sensitive. I am very weak. And people know in just a fraction of second, they know that this is your weakness, and they hit you really hard on that very moment. They know she's a fool. She will, blindly have faith on you. They will do things, they'll get your faith, and in a fraction of second they would do something and hurt you by breaking your faith. अरे ये तो बुद्धू है. She wouldn't get to know. I know she completely believes in me. I can fool her very easily. No. Keep your weaknesses to yourself. These are the first 6 shlokas of Srimad Bhagavad Gita that we have done.